Hi, my name is Liana Tang. I'm an incoming junior attending South Point Catholic High School here in Tucson, Arizona. This summer, I have worked in Dr. Shen and Dr. Gertner's Wound Healing Regeneration and Foreign Body Response Lab. My lab's main research question is, how can we perfect the wound healing process? My lab wants to answer this question because wound healing is a complex and poorly understood process with many faults. It's important that we answer this question because the health effects from wound healing process can be harmful and even deadly. For example, take the case of a heart transplant. Even in a sterile environment, a patient may still suffer from the foreign body response and reject the transplant. Even if they don't reject the transplant, patients still run the risk of developing conditions from the scar tissue created in the wound healing process. Therefore, my lab's goal is to perfect the wound healing process. The big world issue that we are trying to solve is the creation of an agent that perfects the wound healing process and the worldwide distribution of it. To answer this question, there are 4 main experiments. There's a breast cancer experiment, an incisional wounding experiment, a foreign body response experiment, and a fibrosis experiment. In these experiments, I mostly do rat surgeries. However, this summer I've learned how to section and how to run complicated procedures, such as frozen section IF protocol. These projects are all long-term projects, and so far there have been no results that show significance. However, this school year I plan on coming in to help out and hopefully find conclusive results. My 3 final questions that came up during my lab work is, how do failure and ignorance work hand in hand? Why is it important that we accept and utilize our ignorance? And what is the best way to simplify a complicated and often overwhelming health issue? Thank you so much. My 3 final questions that came up during my lab work are, how do failure and ignorance work hand in hand? Why is it important that we accept and utilize our ignorance? And what is the best way to simplify a complicated and often overwhelming health issue? Thank you.